What up, gang? I know these videos getting a little slow, man. But you know, your boy got a lot of stuff going on. And YouTube really ain't paying much and ain't got no content to record right now. Well, I got content, but I just want it when it's done. So I don't want nobody's opinions until it's done. You know what I'm saying? Got a little motion going on, but just get a little video so have something going on, man. Let's get on over here to the issue. This is on his way out of here. He's on his way out of here, man. When I say it's on his way out of here, it's on his way out of here. Man, almost finna get her, man. She finna go. Gotta get on a little content for it. She's sitting in the yard wasting money. Insurance ain't going nowhere. Yeah, Big Zay gone. Big Zay gone to help Big Gouda. Yes, indeed. Big Gouda. This is finna go. I got put some more stuff in here. But I ain't gonna lie to you. I got some what else I got? Casey guy that's finna get it. See this video. That dope pound is right there. I took it off myself, screws and all the other pieces there. That's nothing broke. Missing. But yeah. Got a little something update for y'all on the channel, man. So that means that DIY survived again. It was supposed to go this round. Everything else left but that. Grass always up when it comes. But she's doing something for us right now. You know, I just cleaned her up. You know what I'm saying? Made some upgrades. You know, I did some things. So I'm going to go ahead and let y'all see, man. You know what I'm saying? Yeah, quick vid. Yeah. Floats are not on there. They are for sale. You might see this still on Marketplace. The price has changed. But right now, I'm sliding. But floats still for sale. $2,500 the best offer. So, you know, I'm just throwing that price out there. You know how everybody be. But yeah, these new tires on him. New tires. No use. I had to put some new tires on to get them on him, man. I had tires on there, they were too big for the front. That boat. Yes, sir. Spiked up, cool. Spiked up. Yes, sir. And the valve stem. Yeah. Had to clean them up. Yes, sir. Got that together. The 10s are gone. I was going 15s, but I'm gonna wait. I need to do it because I miss it. So I need to get to it. Other than that, yeah. Well, you can see yourself in there. Boy, I got that do-rag on this, sideways. Yeah, trying to work on these waves, man. Trying to work on these waves, man. I do something with it. Normal day for the haircut appointment, but I was late last week, so I got a couple more days. I'm gonna do it Sunday. Yeah. It's Friday, right after what that was, June 10th. Yeah. Clean it up, man. Clean it up. We'll start working on this inside stuff. I just won't change them mats, but it'll be alright. It'll be alright. We'll get that done. Yeah. I cleaned, yeah, the jams too. That part down there I couldn't really reach with the door open. You gotta get a brush for that, so. But yeah. Put some more tires on. I'm gonna really do. I got a highs in. I've been had him before I put the 10s in. Never got it hooked up. I'm gonna do that first, then go with the 15. I'm gonna come through. Yeah, I'm keeping it. Still got my. Still got the lips lip splitter at the bottom of the bumper for it. I lost the screws, so I gotta find them. Some other stuff. Yeah, gotta get it sprayed. Yeah, Gouda coming. The Gouda boy, I got some pictures, but I can't add them in here. Different device, man. I might just go do a slide by and add it to this video or do a 2-piece video. You feel me? So upload real quick. But yeah, I can go ahead and get ready to say goodbye, God dog on the SS. But yeah, she right there. She about to gizzle. But yeah, why I got them spikes on it, boy. Spiked up, boy. First time on them rocks, man. I've been wanting to ride them rocks for a minute. I know what everybody gonna say. But hey, it's just my time. Hey, man. I gotta wipe off that tailpipe on the side. Yeah. Yes, indeed. Alright, y'all. Say again, we out, you dig? Peace. Hold on. You gotta know I gotta do it right. Gotta clean it up. Gotta get that windshield clean. But hold up, how we gonna do it? Say again, we out, you dig? Peace.